Super Easy Drawings channel. Hello kids, welcome on Super Easy Drawings channel. Today we are going to draw and color a cute rainbow duck. I start with his beak and mouth. Then I draw his cute eyes like this. I continue with the shape of his head. Then I draw his body. His wings. He is in the water. And his tail. Now, I'm going to use a thick black marker to make this beautiful drawing more visible. Let's start coloring. I am going to color this cute ducky with the colors of the rainbow. I start with red for his tongue, orange for his beak. I add a little more red color here. Now I use this yellow marker for his head. Then light green, dark green, and I color his eyes blue. Let's continue with his tail. Dark blue here, then purple, and finally pink. For his wings, I use red again. Then I color the rest of his body with orange. Finally, I add some wavy lines with 2 different shades of blue here, like water. And I add some light blue for the background. If you like this video, do not hesitate to like it and subscribe to the channel.